Everyone. Today we will discuss about JavaScript constructor. JavaScript constructor. Okay. What is constructor in JavaScript? What is a constructor in JavaScript? Okay. A constructor is a special function used to create and initialize object. A constructor is a special used to create and initialize objects. Okay. And it helps you to create a multiple objects with the same properties and methods. It helps you create multiple objects with the same and methods. And in JavaScript, constructors are mainly used with the new keyword and constructor functions and classes. Okay. In JavaScript, are mainly used with number one, new keyword, number two, constructor functions, number three, classes. ES6. Okay. Okay, first point one, constructor function. Okay, function. This one is the old method. Okay, a constructor function is a normal function, but its name starts with a capital letter and it is called using a new keyword. For example, a constructor function is a normal function, but its name starts with a capital letter. And it is using the new keyword. Example 1, basic constructor function. Okay, function student name age. This name is equal to name. This age is equal to age. Okay, and here also semicolon. And in this to create objects, let student1 is equal to new student. Okay, and Ravi comma 22. Okay, and this same student2 new keyword, class name is student and Sita 20. Okay, now to write a script tag for this. Okay, now console.log student1 name. Now console.log student2 dot age. We'll check. same localhost JavaScript okay. In this inspect console okay. There is some error. Student student name, this name and creating objects, this one. Yes, Ravi and 20. This one, how it works? When you use a new student, okay, a new empty object is created, and this refers to that object. Next, properties are assigned. Next, fourth one, the object is returned automatically. Okay. Next, constructor with methods. Constructor with methods. Okay. In this script tag, function, employee E capital, name, salary. Okay. This is the keyword name, and next this salary is equal to salary. Now this get details function, get details function returns this name plus ends again plus this salary. Okay. Now to create the objects, let emp1 is equal to new is the keyword, employee, class name Ramesh 30,000. Okay. Now console.log emp1 dot get details. Okay. Now we'll check. Same refresh. There is something error, syntax error. Line number 9. This get details of function, and the function return this name plus ERNS. This salary. employee name, salary. This name, get details function, in this function to returns, return, not returns. Yes. Okay. Now the new method constructor using classes modern is ES6 method. Now example class constructor. Okay, in this script tag class car is the class name, constructor brand model. Now this brand is equal to brand, same this model is equal to model. Okay, now to display for this console.log this brand plus, okay, hyphen again plus this model. Now to create the object, let car1 is equal to new keyword car Toyota, next Innova. Okay, now car1 display to call the function. Now we'll check, same refresh, yes, Innova. Okay, next coming to default constructor. Default constructor. If you don't write a constructor, JavaScript provides a default empty constructor. For example, class person. Yes, this one. Let P1 is equal to new person. Okay. Yes. Now the difference between constructor versus normal function. Constructor versus normal function. Okay. Constructor is to create objects, but used for general tasks and called using new, called normally. Uses this keyword, may or may not use this. Okay. Now the real-time example. Real-time example. Script tag class bank account. Okay, in this constructor account name comma balance. In this account name is equal to account name and next this balance. Now to deposit amount, this balance plus is equal to amount. Okay. Now to withdraw amount, this balance plus withdraw, that means minus amount. Okay. Now to create the objects, let ACC1 new keyword, bank account, class name Ravi, 1000 rupees. Now ACC1 deposit 500. Now console.log ACC1 balance. Okay, now we'll check. Refresh. Yes, 1500. Now bank account, it is 1000 rupees. Additional deposit added 500. Okay, total 1500. Now Y is the constructor. To create multiple objects easily. Okay, and next to reduce code duplication. Next to organize object creation, and next use it in a real world applications. For example, that means students, employees, and products, etc. And finally, the simple definition of this. A constructor in JavaScript is a special function or method used to initialize objects when they are created using the new keyword. Okay, thank you.